Welcome to our exciting comparison of two popular mini drones, the Ovally mini drone and the Bezgar BD-101 drone. Both drones are designed for fun and ease of use, but they come with different features that cater to various preferences. In this video, we'll explore their camera capabilities, flight times, and special features to help you decide which one is the right fit for you. Both the Ovally mini drone and the Bezgar BD-101 drone feature 1080p HD cameras, but they differ in lens adjustability. The Ovally offers a 90 degrees adjustable lens, while the Bezgar boasts a wider 120 degrees adjustable lens, allowing for more versatile shooting angles. This difference can significantly impact the quality of your aerial photography and videography, making the Bezgar a more appealing option for those who prioritize camera flexibility. When it comes to flight time, the Ovally mini drone takes the lead with approximately 20 minutes of flight per battery, thanks to its efficient lithium-ion batteries. In contrast, the Bezgar BD-101 offers around 10 minutes of flight time per battery. For users who want longer flying sessions without frequent recharging, the Ovally is the better choice. Both drones come equipped with impressive features, but they cater to different user needs. The Ovally mini drone includes voice control and altitude hold, enhancing user experience and ease of operation. Meanwhile, the Bezgar BD-101 stands out with its foldable design, making it more portable, and offers additional flight modes such as self-spinning and circle flight. Depending on your preferences, each drone has unique advantages. In conclusion, both the Ovally mini drone and the Bezgar BD-101 drone offer great features for their price points. The Ovally excels in flight time and voice control, while the Bezgar impresses with its foldable design and affordability. Consider your needs and budget carefully before making a choice. If you enjoyed this comparison, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.